Very good. Okay, when I see Jolly Jolly response with B. Jolly Jolly? Okay, kapag hamba naman ako happy birthday, response mo sa names ng ating birthday boy na si Kyle. Okay, very good. Okay, from the top, hep hep. Jolly Jolly? Happy birthday. Okay, palapakan natin liwat ang ating birthday boy. Okay, this time our special guest is already here. Without further ado, siya ay may malaking mata, bibig na laging nakatawa. Your best friend, my best friend, at best friend ng lahat. And of course, siya din ang bida ng saya. Let's all welcome and clap your hand to Jollibee! And this time, please wave your hand and say hi kay Jollibee! Hello, Jobs. Welcome to the birthday party of Nile. Okay. Jobs, ito na birthday boy dyan. Si Nile. Ay, si Nile. And si Daddy. Ay, sa kilid si Daddy. And of course, si Mami sa kilid ng si Mami. Okay. Hello, Jobs. Ay, nagutom na ka. Hindi halata sa imo chan. Okay, this time nagkatuloy si Jollibee kaya may hatag siya mag-gift sa ato ng birthday boy. Okay. Pagkakot ako, kapag siya jobs ang ato ng birthday boy. Okay, nagkatuloy ang si Jollibee pa yung may hatag siya mag-gift sa ato ng birthday boy. Okay. Ato jobs ang ato ng birthday boy. Sinabi mga batas ang isa ka Jollibee Love! Yes, palapakan natin ang ato ng birthday boy. Okay. Also, Nile, please open it. Okay, open na, Nile. Para hindi mo malintan si Jollibee. Okay, this time, sino na gusto makita si Jollibee ga-dance? Raise your hand! Again, sino na gusto makita si Jollibee ga-dance? Raise your hand!
Go, Jollibee!
Okay, ready na sila, Jobs. Ready ka na mag-dance, Jobs? Ready ka na
Go,
mag-dance?
Jollibee!
Yes, ready na si Jollibee. Okay, but before mag-dance si Jollibee, okay, requesting lang si Mommy and Daddy, please hold ng ano sa ating mga kids. Samtang ka-dance si Jollibee to avoid accident. Okay, again. Requesting lang si Mommy and Daddy, please hold ng ano sa ating mga kids. Samtang ka-dance si Jollibee to avoid accident. Okay, let's all welcome Jollibee for a dance number. Well done. Alright, you want more?
More!
I can't hear you want more?
More!
Okay, you want more, Jobs? Matulog na lang si Jollibee. Okay, this time requesting si Mommy and Daddy and ang aton nga birthday boy, si Nile and si Sophia. Maganda sa center. Bango na, Jobs. Okay na, go, Jobs. Okay, this time, requesting everyone to please all stand. Okay, kaya masing kita happy birthday song para kay Nile and Sophia. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, everybody sing.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, this time with energy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Alright, this time, Nile and Sophia, please close your eyes and make a wish. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, blow! Yay! Nile is officially 7 years old and Sophia is already 10 years old. Okay, palakpakan natin si Sophia and Nile. Okay, picture taking, Danay. Okay, family picture, Danay. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, waki pa waki. Ready? 1, 2, 3, waki. Okay. Lolo kang lola. Mga lolo kang lola, requesting kanto sa center. Okay. Lola, lola. Okay. You're kasi mga birthday boy, Nile. Okay, kids, balik kita doon sa bangko, kids, ha? Okay, ready? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, waki pa waki. Ready? 1, 2. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, waki pa waki. Ready? 1, 2, 3, waki. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, requesting na kids. Nandun sa center, tanan niya kids. Okay, so ang taas ng kids ara sa tubang, ang nubot sa tubang ha. Ang taas sa likod, okay. Okay. Ready na kids? Okay, share your beautiful smile. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, Waki naman, Waki. Ready? 1, 2, 3, Waki. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, this time kung sino gusto magpa-picture kay Jollibee, and of course sa aton nga birthday boy, take your time, have a good time. Again, kung sino gusto magpa-picture kay Jollibee and sa aton nga birthday boy, take your time, have a good time. Okay, kung sino gusto magpa-picture kay Jollibee, take your time, have a good time.